What's going on?
I have a dog.
Okay.
I walked my dog this morning, and I was sitting on a park bench down the end of the road. You want to show me where it do you want me to show you where it was?
No, it's okay.
Okay. Well, she got done walking her dog, and I saw that the dog, and she picked it up and came walking over to me and saying something. I said, "Wait, I can't hear you." She comes slamming over to me and took the dog she had from her dog and rammed it into my face. So I told you not to talk to me. I'm a woman alone. I'm a single woman alone. I have no idea what that's about. And then as she walked away, she called me.
Do you have any idea where? Hello, need to speak with you.
With me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you have an altercation with the gentleman standing over there today?
Yelled at each other. Is that an altercation? We yelled at each other a few times.
Okay. What's going on between you and him?
Honestly, all it is, I'm a woman, young, by myself out here. He has yelled at me before several times, 7 in the morning, just yelling hello. And I told him, I said, hey, I don't know you, don't know me. I said, don't yell at me. He keeps doing it. I was like, hey, I said, stop. I was like, this is the last time. I said, stop. I was like, I really don't know you, don't know me. I'm a young woman by myself. I was like, off. And then today, I yelled a little more. I didn't call him a I do feel bad for that. I don't usually use the word. But all I want is him to just, not yell at me in the morning. Can he not do that?
How did he get dog feces smeared across his forehead, guy? Because he's saying.
I do have a dog. I don't pick up his.
How many times have you had an altercation with him?
Yelling back and forth 6 or 7. It's mostly him yelling at me and me just telling him to f off and walking away.
And how long have you been staying here? Quite a while if you got it on your driver's license, I'd imagine.
Yeah, I've been living in this RV park 2 years. I just moved over to this spot 3 months ago.
Were you walking your dog to let it go to the restroom this morning?
Yeah.
And did your dog use the restroom?
Yes, my dog used the restroom.
Okay. What did you do with the waste?
Bagged it up like we're supposed to.
And
you want to see it in the trash? If we got to get that serious about it.
Well, considering it was buried, I would not necessarily tend to believe that was the first one of the day, or the one you just... Listen,
yeah.
I'll be perfectly honest with you.
That's fine. I should probably call, you think, a lawyer, or what's this going? Because now he's saying these things. We've only yelled at each other. How serious do I need to take this?
There's a crime being alleged, so okay. I'm investigating a battery at this point.
A battery?
Because smearing feces on somebody would be considered a battery.
Is anybody else here with you? No, just me and my dog. Okay.
But then later, she came out from there and walked around over there behind the boat. And I saw her dog was trapped, and I saw she picked it up, and I thought, oh, that's good. And then I just sat there, like I do often with my dog, and she's rolling over. I don't understand. She said that to me a couple times. I don't know. And she slammed this bag of shit in my face, and I pushed backwards, and then I tried to push her away, and my hand got caught in her long hair on this side. But she got up, and she's getting up. She called me something else, and off she strode. So the feces was in a bag that she had in her hand? Yes. Okay. What color? Do you remember what color the bag was? I was thinking about that. It was, they make these neon colors. It was sort of like a teal, the color of my house. It wasn't blue, it wasn't green, it was a mixed shade. And what hand did she push up against you with? This hand, I'm sure. So right hand? Yes. And then did she take the bag with her as well? Oh, yeah, she took it all with her. It's up there somewhere. She threw it away, but I don't know where she threw it away at. All right, because she says that everything you said happened except for that. It's the only thing... My face. Correct. It's the only thing she doesn't admit to. She says that's the one thing that she did not do. Oh, she admitted to using the foul language. She admitted to using the very unkind description of you. However, she says that was verbal only and there was no physical... I want her charged. Well, I'm going to. Because that's what you want. I'm going to charge her. Dude. Ma'am, do you have any dog bags on you? Now, pull out the one you just had in your hand. Yeah, that's the one that's sitting on the bench, right by the bench. Okay. So you're going to be charged with battery because the physical evidence is still sitting over there. It's that bag right there, the green one. It does have feces on it. It matches the feces that's on his forehead. Unless you would like to amend your statement to me. Would you like me to show you the bag that's still sitting on the ground over there? Because it's going to match that one specifically, right? And there's a reason you started pulling that one out and shoved it back in your pack and then pulled out the dark black one, which is what you showed me over here. I'm looking to try to not to do that, but you haven't been honest with me up until this point. Because when people are dishonest, that shows a decision to do criminal activity and not take ownership of it. You have no criminal activity. I just ran your criminal activity history. You have nothing.
I know, because to be that person, I don't like to yell at people. I don't like...
You understand? Listen, I've been doing this for 12 and a half years. I've put in so much investigation on this one silly thing that probably shouldn't be a thing at all. Well, the fact that I had to just prove the dog bag thing drives me crazy. But what happened between you and him today? Because this isn't the first altercation, but this is the first time it's gotten to...
I want him to stop yelling at me.
Okay.
Would you yell? And I yelled back. Probably the wrong day that I yelled back. I think we all know what happened.
Ma'am, I need to know, did you smear feces in his face with the green bag that you have in your pack? The reason I asked you, and the reason I cannot push this issue with you any further...
I know, you can't help me.
Well, here's the thing. You committed what you did today is considered a battery, right? In Pinellas, listen, please listen.
I'm listening. I know I'm
In Pinellas County, we have something called adult diversion, right?
He's 6.
Well, I mean, regardless of what happened. Now, it's battery of a gentleman of 65 or older, which makes it a felony.
Does it always get charged like that? No, not always, right? But
if he yanked on my hair, that wouldn't matter at all.
No, he said he got a hold of your hair, but that was after.
Oh, he yanked me and pulled me.
But he said that was after he got the feces smeared in his
Yeah,
face.
he yanked on me when I walked up to him.
Was he sitting or standing?
He was sitting, and I walked up to him, and I held the dog up, and I said, "Don't say hello to me anymore." And he yanked on my hair, and I put the dog in. This simultaneous. I'm not going to sit here and say I didn't do it first or he did it first, but
if you're really looking for the specifics of that, you closed the distance to him where he was in a seated position. He was in a position of disadvantage as you walked up to him at that point.
I guess
you sit back.
This is probably what he wanted. This is why he kept yelling at me. He wanted me to get to this point. Now that I really think about it, I'm stupid.
Do you have somebody that dog can stay with?
I can take him down to my neighbors. You got to take me in right now?
Due to the severity of the crime? Yeah, I do.
All right, his name's
Brian.
Okay. All right, I gotta call your mom, and she's got to get a hold of Brian. Right? You got to call your mom and let her know, and she's going to get a hold of Brian.
Let her know I'm being arrested.
Brian's a lawyer?
Brian's a lawyer.
Here?
Yes, Barry here. Brian is a lawyer here. I might have his business card in my purse. Just
talk to mom, talk to her boss Mandy, and get the client Brian, who's a lawyer.
You actually can you just take her and search her?
Yeah.
Put her in my car.